Wednesday, September 3rd edition of the Carolina Weather Video. Meteorologist Matthew East here along with you. What a hot day across the region yesterday for our Tuesday. 101 in Richmond, 99 in Columbia, 98 in Fayetteville, mid-90s in many other spots across the region, 94 in Charlotte, Raleigh at 96, 95 in Greensboro, and had some pretty decent thunderstorms too, which I'll show you in just a moment. These are temperatures about 5:30 this morning. A lot of low to mid 70s, even upper 70s along the coast, some 60s in the mountains. Dew points, they're up there. Still very, very muggy conditions in place all around the region. Weakening frontal boundary dropping into the region. That's going to really fall apart as it moves in, but still enough there in the atmosphere to give us additional scattered showers and thunderstorms today. Now, that's what the radar imagery looked like through yesterday afternoon and into the evening hours. You had these clusters of pretty intense showers and thunderstorms, some of which were severe in various spots across the region. These are the storm reports from around the region, and I will highlight a couple of them here. You had in northern parts of Randolph County, around the Randleman community, had a tree down across the road there during the 8 o'clock hour yesterday evening. And I wanted to show you this, just a whole cluster of issues there around the Sandhills region, especially around and near Fayetteville. You had not only wind issues, but a lot of flooding as well there, close to Fayetteville there in Cumberland County. So this was, again, in scattered fashion, a fairly active afternoon yesterday. Now, the radar at the moment is quiet across the region. Now, you have a big decaying area of rain and storms in North Georgia. It's falling apart. But in this very, very soupy air mass that we still have in place, as we heat things up, we will see scattered showers and thunderstorms developing today. So that front kind of falls apart, but enough instability there to lead to the development of scattered thunderstorms. Here's the latest run of the high-resolution rapid refresh, or the HRRR model, showing you those scattered thunderstorms developing during the course of the afternoon and the evening hours. Could see some lightning and wind issues, and there's still a limited threat of some hail and flash flooding as well with the thunderstorms that do develop today. Your highs across the region, most of us not quite as hot today as what we had yesterday out there around the area. Let me show you what it looks like here in terms of those high temperatures. Close to 90 degrees in a number of sites across the Piedmont today. So yeah, still hot, still humid, but not quite as hot as yesterday. Now, as we go on through tomorrow, the frontal boundary will be gone, but still enough there to lead to the chance of some showers and storms. Highs upper 80s to lower 90s tomorrow. Very similar type of weather setup for Friday, with the chance of some afternoon thunderstorms and highs Friday afternoon close to 90. Now, over the weekend, another stronger cold front will arrive. That will bring us the chance of some showers and thunderstorms at times as the weekend unfolds. But this time around, it's a much more significant temperature change associated with the frontal boundary. And look what happens behind the front. These are high temperatures Monday afternoon. And look at that. That is going to be a welcome change. I don't think anybody's going to be complaining about a significantly cooler weather setup, at least for a period of time as we go into next week. Now, in the tropics, we have seen Dolly make landfall overnight in eastern Mexico as expected. And Dolly remains, as I'm cutting this video, a tropical storm sitting inland over Mexico. And this will continue to drift to the west, and it's going to be encountering some very mountainous terrain. So the big issue from Dolly down in Mexico is going to be flooding and mudslides over the next several days as the rain totals pile up. All right, that is it for today's edition of the video. Thank you for watching. Have a wonderful day, and God bless.